Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can buy Telegram Premium. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Telegram app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, you'll be in this particular platform. Now just go to your top left corner to this three lines option, and now go down a bit to this settings option, and now go all the way down. So over here you'll be finding this Telegram Premium option. You can have Telegram Business option as well, RF or Gift Premium as well. So as you want to have Telegram Premium, just go with Telegram Premium. You can choose annually or monthly as per your wish, and you can see what are you getting with these things, this premium option, and just subscribe for that thing. After you press subscribe, you'll be having your Telegram Premium account by giving some amount. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.